What is going on, everybody? Sorry for the messy hair. It's a lazy Saturday. Whatevs. But sorry that I haven't uploaded lately. I missed a week because nah, I'm just kidding. I just suck and I missed a week and I've been lazy. But this is just a weekend vlog that I just randomly put together. There was a lot of stuff going on this weekend and I just thought I'd bring the camera around. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and here we go. Alright guys, if you take a look at the front end of my car here. On this side we've got HID lights and one fog light working, but on this side we've got one fog light out and one halogen bulb. But anyways, I'm gonna replace these with new HID bulbs and then replace the bottom with another bulb. Also, since I'm working on my car, I might as well figure out, I'm also going to tint these yellow, do them the JDM yellow on those. But yeah, time to get to work. Okay, so I've done some research online and ouch, I just hit my head. There is a panel under here that you should be able to just unscrew part of it here so that it'll release the headlamp here. But you know what? It looks like my screwdriver is not long enough. So I really don't want to go get a longer screwdriver. So I'm gonna have to do it the fun way. Hey Pat, what's up?
Nothing much, just grabbing lunch for a break. What's going on?
Oh, are you busy today?
No, not really.
Do you happen to have like a really long Phillips head?
No, I won't have any that long.
Do you have a jack or something?
Yeah, I have a jack.
Okay. But you can go ahead and grab lunch. You can go ahead and grab lunch and we can meet up later.
Okay, yeah, I just hit you up whenever I get done.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright, man.
Alright.
Bye.
Alright, see you soon.
Alright, so he doesn't have a screwdriver that's long enough. So I'm gonna go to the store and pick one up while he grabs lunch. Okay, so I just got back from the store to go get a screwdriver that will actually reach and undo the screw down there, and I'm waiting for my friend to come bring a jack so I can jack up my car so it'll be easier to work with. But while I'm waiting on him, I can go ahead and change out the HID bulbs for each side here, because I don't really need too many tools to do that. Alright, with the zip ties, these are, if you don't have anything to cut them off, you can just break them off like that, call it good. So just go ahead and take that out. That's already out, so I don't need that. I don't know if you guys can see, but right down in there, and this is the bulb, and you just twist it out, put the new bulb in, and call it good. Should be able to just twist it out. Boom, like that. You twist it out and then you just save that for later because you might need it. So these bulbs aren't super complicated. You just got the ballast part here, this converts the energy, and then you got the bulb part, and you just match up the different parts to the other side and call it a day. Just like that. that's done. We just gotta move over to the other side and do that on the other side. Oh snap. It's Patrick. What's up, Pat?
What's up, Gabe?
How are you?
Doing good, bro. How are you? Not much.
Got any plans for tonight?
No.
Alright, so we're gonna JD yellow my fog lights here. If you're lazy like me, you can get this stained glass clear yellow here, so you can spray it on there. But yep, let's get to it. It's going towards my camera. Today, Patrick.
You're welcome anytime.
I'll see you later.
Take care.
Adios. What's up, guys? It is early on a Saturday morning, and I am at the bowling alley. I'm up early because my work has a team in the corporate challenge. Basically, the corporate challenge is where all of the local companies come and play sports against each other in a tournament, and it's in support of the Boys and Girls Club and the Child Protection Services. But yep, I came here. I'm a little bit late. I was supposed to be here at 8:30, but I'm not playing. I just came to double check and make sure that the team's doing good and also get some pictures for work. I'm gonna check this out and see you guys in a bit. So I just got done bowling with the Arvis team. I wasn't expecting to bowl today because I just was going to come out and take pictures and just cheer on the team. But one of our team members didn't show up, as always. But so I had to bowl, and I'm not the best bowler. I think I got like an average score of like 100. Well, anyways, thanks to my other teammates, we got third place overall. Not too bad considering the other teams have like pro bowlers on there and they have a larger pool to pick from, and people actually show up to play bowling or play sports and stuff. But third place, I'll take it. We at least, if we were in the Olympics, we would have at least gotten a medal. So now that I'm done bowling, I'm gonna head over to the church. We're in the process of switching buildings, so I'm gonna go over there and help install some TVs and just move stuff around. But yeah, see you guys there. We're carrying the table. What's up, guys? It is bright and early on a Sunday morning,
and I am up early today because I was supposed to go down and film our bank president for the Fort Smith Marathon that's going on today. But as you can see, it's pouring down rain and my camera is definitely not weatherproof or waterproof, so I don't want to take the risk of getting it damaged in this weather. And I figured I'm already up and I don't want to be that guy that's a jerk and doesn't go support the team, so I might as well come out. I got an umbrella and I've got a jacket on, and I've got this Sub-Zero mask here going on, trying to brave the cold. I'm just gonna come out and support the team, and it's gonna be cold. Woo!
I've got a long time. Set one up because I didn't see Orbis. No,
Get the cameras ready, get the signs ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog now before it gets too long. This is just a random weekend that I decided to whip out my camera and start recording everything. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it if you stuck around. More videos coming out every week. And also comment below, what videos would you like to see from me? That being the case, I'll see you guys in the next video.